The Center for Creativity at the University of Pittsburgh has a Vandercook SP15, a cylindrical proof press used for printing typeset projects. The press is in the Text and Context Lab, a collaboration between the Center for Creativity and the University Library System, located on the third floor of Hillman Library. Before using the press, the rulers must be inked and adjusted to the proper settings. To ink the machine, select an oil-based ink. Only one color can be used at a time with this press. Place 3 dollops of ink on the top large metal cylinder and pull down the lever to lower it. Make sure the springs on both sides of the machine are hooked into the upright position. Turn the motor on and let the machine run for about 15 minutes to allow the ink to distribute throughout the rulers. After the rulers look fully coated with ink, turn off the press and roll the carriage about 1/4 of the way down the print bed. Use the ruler setting gauge and slide it under the left front form ruler. Turn the gauge on its side to slide it back out. There will be a line of ink present on the gauge. Compare its thickness to the metal tabs on the side of the print bed. If the line of ink is thicker, turn the form ruler knob to the right to raise the form ruler. If the line of ink is thinner, or if there is no ink at all, turn the form ruler to the left to lower it. When the line of ink is about the same thickness as the metal tab, repeat this process on the front right, back left, and back right form rulers. Roll the carriage back to its default position and turn the machine back on. To print, you'll first need to have a galley tray with your type, line-of-cut or woodblock imagery, and typesetting furniture locked in. For more information about typesetting, check out the video linked in the description. First, position your galley tray on the press bed and secure it in place using the lock bar. To center your project, line it up with the plastic tab on the hood of the carriage. Turn the machine to trip, then roll the carriage over your galley tray to ink your project. Pull the carriage back and turn the machine to print. Choose the paper you'd like to print on. For thinner paper, you may need to add packing material in order to get a good print. Start with 4 sheets of newsprint and place your printing paper on top. Thicker paper like cardstock or Stonehenge might not need packing material. Check with a Text and Context staff member if you are unsure. Step on the pedal at the bottom of the machine to raise the paper secure tabs. Make sure your paper is underneath each tab, then release the pedal. Roll the carriage all the way over your project and to the end of the print bed. Hold the carriage in place and remove your print and packing material. If your print is too light, you may need to add more packing material. Check with a Text and Context staff member to help you find the proper amount of packing material for your project. If you'd like to make multiple copies, just roll the carriage back into its default position. This will re-ink your project so you can secure more paper. Repeat this process to make as many prints as you'd like. When you're finished printing on the Vandercook, make sure to clean the press and your typesetting project thoroughly with mineral spirits. Then put your type, imagery, and furniture away in their proper locations. For more information about cleaning the Vandercook, see the link in the description.